Racing just is started. We have Silver Glades first to show quickness at the start, moving up on the outside. Sugar Mike Dels Fried down on the inside is Classical Beta Jack Show King, and on the outside Masaganang Ani Semper Fidelis. Panahon na Power Gear, while Mirabal is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader, and going along for the first turn is Sugar Mike is on the outside. Silver Glades is down on the inside, 2 lengths further back in third. Moving up down on the inside is Jack Show King, and on the outside comes Dels Fried. In the middle portion comes Classical Bida. Panahon na. Then next online is Semper Fidelis. Masaganang Ani Mirabal, while Power Gear now racing in less. Back to the leader, Sugar Mike by the length. Dels Fried is on the outside. Panahon na. In the middle portion, Jack Show King. Then here comes Classical Bid now coming closer in fourth. Semper Fidelis, Mirabal, Masaganang Ani, Power Gear, while Silver Blades now racing in less. And Diana entering the home stretch. Panahon na. By over the head, then on the outside, Dels Fried, Sugar Mike, Semper Fidelis now moving up on the outside with about 150 meters more to run. Panahon na, Semper Fidelis is on the outside, but it's still panahon na, followed by Semper Fidelis, and finally panahon na, Semper Fidelis, Jack Show King, Mirabal, Dels Fried, and comes Power Gear for your Super 6.
310-6489, unofficial.